Well, we back. And I broke both of them today. I broke this one, trying to get that one out the mud because that one starter went out. So now that starter is out. So I got a little small list on this one. And the clutches went out on this one because we put too much weight on it, trying to get that one out the mud. So it is what it is. I'll come back, clean this shit up tomorrow. And, that's just how it goes, man. Break, fix, and repeat. So this the day after. Yep. Person asked me what I'm gonna do to come back. Well, they asked me what I'm gonna do to come back, man. Y'all know what I'm finna do. Y'all already know exactly what I'm finna do. I'm finna have to spend a bunch of money. But in the meantime, what I'm gonna do, I can't make it right now. Financially, I can't afford to be putting money into both of them. So this one gonna be more expensive to fix. This one be a quicker fix. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna fix this one. So this one be gone for a little while. Get the clutch done on it. Probably back in a week or two. Somebody offered me some money on this one. I should have sold this one yesterday while I was running. But I knew that something was gonna break. I shouldn't have went cheap on it. I paid the price. And I got some footage. I was stuck very high in the mud in that. Let's sit all my stuff down. The reason why I'm just gonna take my time on that is because acting bad, the Monte Carlo is still #1 priority for this shop. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead, cut the light on, and get to it, man. I bring everything in, bring my blower in so I can wash this stuff up, get the power washer going. I'm gonna blow out the air on there. I'm gonna water on that. I'm gonna use the compressed air to dry it. And man, it's up because the temperature is dropping and I don't want to be getting sick. 60 degrees in my shop currently. So yeah, I need to go ahead and make the most of this little warmth. That's really cold for me. But yeah. So it's time to work. As y'all can see, I'm an old man. I struggle to lift them up. This one still is leaking gas. Let me see. Where's the off at? See, that's all the way on. That's all the way on. It's finna go crazy. Yeah, that's on. Let me see. That's on. Fuck, man. Oh, shit. Man, let me do what I gotta do. Y'all see I'm busy.
Yeah. Shout out Don Chi. Fuck it. Yeah, I would not quit for nothing. See that I stay in the booth. Granted, I had to choose. Yeah, found out I had the juice. I do not trust these niggas. They do not ride for me. I can sense jealousy. Please tell me everything. I could go on and on. Think I might have some fun. These bars, pack a punch. Break fast like it's brunch. Eat ass when I want, yo baby girl be lunch. Shawty show me something, music steady bumping. Beat that in the morning, that kitty on the run. I'm excited for it. She said this is yours, never broke again, I gotta be the man. Beat the block, pass the rock, they won't understand. Hustle every day, gotta chase the pay. Need them racks in my safe. Cop a pack, make a play with my props. I don't play, fuck a op, I'll spray. Fuck the cops, we don't talk. I just bite, I don't bark. This the start, yeah. Think it's sweet, it ain't sweet. It ain't sweet. Keep that heat in the seat. This will slap.
So I put that latch on there the other day. I was just messing around in here. Sometimes I just come in here and just fool around. So I put that right there. And I remember I had took some plugs out. I just set them in there. I don't know what they go to. You know what I mean? But they're in there just because probably won't need them. But the goal is to go ahead and try to get this hood on there so it'll all be in one complete piece. And then we can go ahead, and when I get over there, we could probably take it off again. Can't do nothing with the exhausters yet because there's gonna be some headers and stuff coming. But this wire harness is becoming a nightmare, so I'm gonna leave this wire harness alone because I know I'm not doing it the right way. But I am gonna do some of the stuff that I know I can do, which is taking out everything out of this trunk, just vacuuming it out. Probably throw a dust mask on, probably blow some of this stuff out. And I don't really know what I'm gonna do in this trunk for real. Might just spray just some basic plumb in there. Maybe some, I wanted to do some rhino liner, but I'm not sure. I'm not too sure because I want to come back and do a mini tub on it. So I might just need to leave this alone for a while because there's nothing really need to be done back here because I really don't want to keep that spare tire. But I'm just going to keep it clean. I'm not going to throw no more junk back in there. And I did have that board that was in here, but I wound up throwing it away when I moved. I might be able to make some just basic, throw some carpet on it. You know what I mean? Find something really kind of thin. Do a basic board, put it in there so that way I can still sit stuff in the trunk and it'll be kind of clean. I'm gonna figure out something. I'm gonna do it the most efficient way. I'm not gonna put a lot into this trunk. I just want to button up one piece really quick. And it seems like this is gonna be the fastest way to just button this rear end up. Boom, this trunk, not the rear end, but just the trunk itself. Knock that on out, but we're gonna do some suspension. We're gonna do a lot of work. Even if I just stuck with the factory rear end and rebuilt it, just to make this build be all the way up to par, rebuild those drums in the rear, which I want to go disc, but right now I just need to make sure that I have some kind of brakes. So I had the mechanic make sure both of the brakes are right and do all the alignments that need to be done on this. But it's coming together. I told my partner that this wheel was cocked, and it's something else I was looking for. It's this the bolt that I'm looking for. I believe that's it, but it could be some of these. And it's for that brace that's up under here. It's a brace that goes over the fender, under the fender and stuff. So, little small things that I do need some help on. I wiped everything down kinda. This was some basic stuff. And just to sit back and see what it looks like. Where can I add more details in that? What more can I clean up, you know? So it's starting to come along. Man, it's taking forever because, man, your boy just don't be having money like that. I'm just your everyday Joe, you know what I mean? This is not my career. I mean, I do a little bit of collision work, and even then, I don't do all of the work. I can't perfect it. I can get it all the way up to a point where, you know, it's right before perfection. I can get you about 80% there by myself right about now. Even on this restoration, I can get probably 80% this whole thing confident with the body work, about 80%. Just have my partner come fine tune it. I'm just trying to primer all of it down and I'm gonna go ahead and sand this down, get it down to 180, primer it, mask it off real good, so then it won't really be that bad. I'm probably just gonna mask this top part off, and I'm gonna mask all this stuff off. I'm gonna keep these mirrors like that. I ain't gonna mess with those mirrors too much right now, and I'm sure I'm not gonna mess with none of this chrome, none of this black trim. But I'll probably come back, clean all that up, spray with some black trim. Maybe like some black gloss, you know, just some cheap stuff, you know, something real quick. But yeah, again, I may mask it off and just hit it with some black gloss. I don't know, might do this too. Just do some black gloss. But when I start messing with this stuff, oh, that's gonna lead into that T-top. But we're gonna do black on this for sure. I was gonna do the color. What y'all recommend I do? That would be cool to see some of the color on there. When I get to that part, we'll get to that part. Yeah, but I'd be such in a hurry to make it look good. I remember when JSP was building my Banshee, he smacked some parts together on my trunk. So it's definitely a big dent over there. But trying to keep as much Bondo off this car as possible, and that's why when he did that, I was looking like, damn. But I could talk about that for days and days. Let's get it.
Got a bag, body bags, but my niggas, that's down the ride. Catch a flight, we run the night, put in work.
Man, it's somewhat clean. You know what I mean? Still, everything need to be polished again, and some touch-ups and some more powder coat. Stuff got scratches and dings on it that I never did before. Those heads need to be upgraded, but I kind of like the factory stuff. It's low maintenance. It's the first time it's broken 2 years. And really, you know, I'm going to say this probably one a low maintenance, two-stroke. So person asked me what kind of four-wheeler would I recommend. The one I sold at $350, but this is a cool one. It's a collector's item, you know. So you know they don't make them like that no more. This one them last years that they had the Honda Quad. They would make this 2007 special. They started making these in 2008. Those stopped being made in 2008. And these stopped being made in 2014. So. And pretty much everything I got over here now is 2006, 2007. And I think that motorcycle is a 2007 or 8. But I'll get back to that when I get to it. Shoot.
Got a bag.